So we're in the garage today with the 91YJ, and we are going to work on something fun. We're actually doing the U-joints. And the best part of this is I'm not doing the U-joints. Look at this. The front driveline U-joints need to be done, and I've got Jake and Sadie down here working on them. They've just put the new ones on. Sadie, how old are you?
13.
13. What do you love about working on a Jeep?
Because you get to learn more about it, of what you're going to be driving.
Yeah. So we just finished replacing the U-joints, following Jeep Solid's instructions. Got brand new ones in the front and the back on the front driveline. Jake, what do you love about working on a Jeep?
I don't know. It's fun. It gives you something to do, and it kind of teaches you how it works, which is helpful.
Yeah,
For when
that's exactly right. Teaches you how it works, and what it's doing, and how things go together. So we're having a great time as parents, letting the kids do the work. We've had to help out here and there, and heavy banging on hammers, and making sure they're doing stuff the right way. I'll have to come through and make sure that the bolts are all tightened perfectly. But overall, they are doing the work, and it's pretty awesome to see them both underneath the Jeep there, wrenching away. So lots of fun. It's a beautiful day in Pleasant Grove, Utah. We're having a great time. It's a great view. And Katie, you've just been riding your bike around, haven't you?
I've been riding that little thing.
Oh, that's fun. You want to show us how it's done? Yeah, go for it.
Like the truck.
So as soon as that U-joint gets done, we're going to go take it for a test drive, and we're going to see how it feels. There was a little bit of a rattle to it, so hopefully that rattle goes away completely. We've already tightened up everything, so this should actually be the last thing that we need to do to make sure that mechanically the YJ is running really, really soundly. Then after that, it's almost all cosmetic stuff, so pretty awesome. Go for it, Kate. Horrible parenting. You should never let your kids ride their bikes in the street, but that's okay. We're having a great time. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We'll see you guys later.